Time to install the outboard motor. I've never done this before, so what I did is I had a piece of wood made that would deal with this rake here, and then I went to fiberglass it, and I did such a piss poor job at it that I won't use it, and I kind of broke it a bit. But I took the measurements off it, and then what I did is I 3D printed one at a PET G. Look at that beauty. And that will go there on the boat. And that will give me just the right angle to put on the mount. Look at that. It's straight. Cool, huh? But setting all that up is kind of a pain in the arse, so I had this failed print here. So what I'll do is I'll mark which way it goes. Yeah, let's say it like that. Okay. So I got this, so I can put that up here to see where it goes. And then I got this pipe, and what I did is I marked the distance needed, right, for how far down the motor needs to go. And then it's just a matter of putting it down to the keel. Right there. That looks about good. That should do it. There. Now I gotta decide where I want it, and I do want it on this side of the boat. So I'm thinking here. Should do it, my friends. That looks pretty straight to me. So now that we got the mark where I want it, I have to figure out this plate. So that has to go. Crap. I'll go like this. Might be better actually. Can't find my bolts, so now I have to go and buy some more. So I had to move the boat. The mark I made on the back of the boat got washed off in the rain. I have to make another one, and I can't find the pole that I used, so I had to use a 1x3. So once again, take my mount, put it up to where I think it's going to be. Yeah. For the water line. That's good enough. Let's do it right here. Let's go. And if this doesn't work, it's gonna suck. It's gonna run, eh? I'm going to get a smaller bit. Getting old is fun. Good enough. These are 3/16 stainless steel. That's where I put the pole I needed. There. Where are you? There you are. This is the back plate. I think I need to put bigger holes in this. I'll be back. There's one side. There's the other side. Okay. Now, I put a metal back plate on it, and I'm just gonna throw some nuts on it, tighten it down. Right now I'm just putting in lock washers. And I'm just gonna hand tighten it for now. Just because I don't have any tools with me, because I'm an idiot. Well, and I want to make sure I can get the other bolts through. Please don't drop one of these. I only got 4. It's one on, and I didn't drop it. I don't know if I can do all 4 without dropping it, because that would suck so bad. Because I'm not sure where this goes. It might go with a bilge, but I have to rip everything apart. Please don't drop it. What the hell's that? There you go. What the hell are you stuffing something in there? So if I do drop it, it doesn't go anywhere. What's life without a little danger? Hey, welcome back to the shit show. So, I need to take this off, and then put the bolts back through. look what I did to my knuckle. Damn it. The marker won't fit through. What do we got? That's not long enough. I gotta go get a band-aid. Damn it. I'm back. Normally I wouldn't care about a bleeding hand, but I don't want to bleed all over my boat. Or the parts. What was I doing? Looking for something. That'll do. That'll do. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Oh, let's see here. What's at the house? Why didn't you grab a friggin' pencil? So if I get this all assembled, and I put it in the wrong spot, I'm gonna cry. Alright. See if it works. Huzzah! Okay. So all the bolts fit in. That's a good thing. So it's loose. Just gotta tighten up the bolts, and then that's it. It's on. So I'll show you that now. All right, let's see if I wasted $400 on this thing. So the starter works. Got the choke out. I got it running. Hey! So that's it. I got the motor on, the motor mount on, which is all ready to go. However, I'm gonna sell it. It's too big for my boat. It's too old. It's 2-stroke. So I'm gonna go buy a new one, and I'm gonna put the money I get for this towards it. Oh, she's so pretty. Woo. Alright. Things I need to do. I need to grind down all this rust on the keels. I got some new bottom paint for her. And I need to fix this fender. And I need to fix this fiberglassing job here. Where's it? Right there. And then put that plug in. And I might as well take that out while I'm at it and fiberglass it up. or I could just put a plug on it and then run a hose up in a loop and then plug it off. That way, if I ever want to go back to an inboard, I don't have to do anything with that. Or I could run a bilge hose out there, or a bilge pipe, bilge. Anyway, yeah, so that's done. So that's it for this week. I mean, I got something done, which is okay. All right, I'll see you next time.